A major anti-terror operation has been carried out across Pune city, Pune rural and Pimpri-Chinchwad. The Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad ATS conducted simultaneously raids at more than 60 locations in connection with the alleged network linked to Pakistani gangster Shehzada Bhatti and his suspected ISI contacts. According to the ATS, the operation was launched after the intelligence inputs suggested attempts to recruit local youth for anti-national activities. The Maharashtra ATS carried out coordinated searches at over 60 locations across Pune city, Pune rural and Pimpri-Chinchwad as part of an ongoing investigation into an alleged terror link network. Officials said the raids are conducted to Pakistani gangster Shehzada Bhatti, who is believed to be operating from Dubai while maintaining alleged links with Pakistani intelligence agency the ISI. Investigators suspected the Bhatti and his associates using social media platforms including Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and WhatsApp to contact the Indian youth. According to the security agencies, financial weak and unemployed youngsters were allegedly targeted with promises of easy money. Officials believe some of them have been drawn into the illegal activities also. The ATS is investigating whether the network was being used to collect the sensitive information, facilitate illegal arms, supply and support drug trafficking. During the operation, several suspects were detained for questioning. Officials are examining mobile phones, laptops and other digital devices that have been seized during the raid to gather the evidence and trace the network of the activity. Investigators are now trying to establish the exact purpose of the online network and identify everyone are connected to it or not. This is not the first such operation in Maharashtra. Similar crackdowns have been conducted in other parts of the state as security agencies continue to monitor suspected anti-national activities and online recruitment networks. Officials says the investigation is still underway and more evidence and arrests could follow in the coming days. Now we have to see what other update will help to take this entire case. The ATS has not yet revealed the identities of those detained and no formal arrests have been announced. So far, authorities says the investigation is at a crucial stage with further details will be shared as more evidence is verified. With camera person Palak, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.